see what we can harvest from our garden. For sure, I know we have a red tomato finally, and this is from an early girl variety. This is so exciting. Our first tomato of the 2026 season. We have plenty of kale that could be harvested, but honestly I'm just leaving it to grow, and we can use it whenever, like for salads or even like soups. I believe we can harvest one of these bell peppers right here. This one seems to be on the bigger side. We also have a gypsy sweet pepper that I believe I can harvest, and we have a cucumber, and this is our potato patch, and I believe we can harvest this one. Let's see. Wow, would you look at that? That is so exciting.